Welcome back, everyone. This is Ivan Santiago, your Central Florida Realtor. I'm on location yet again in Sunbridge. We're on the Osceola County side in St. Cloud. Webb is the developer here. They're developing a beautiful community, utterly beautiful here. It's a 55 plus adult community and has wonderful amenities. This one, the model behind me that I'm going to show you, is a one-story. It is the Mystique. It's roughly around 1,800 square feet, and here goes your personal tour. Welcome back, everyone. I hope you liked that tour. This one in the main area has a similar feel to another home that Webb makes called the Renown that I've shown you in the past. But you can see the corner sliders in the open space here with eating, sitting, and your kitchen. But It's a beautiful home. There's many more beautiful homes in the Central Florida area. I'm trying to show you as many as I can to help you and your family make your decision a lot easier. My information is below. Feel free to give me a call. Also shoot me an email or a text. And as always, like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification icon. Thank you so much. I'll see you on the next video.